Have you ever looked at something stylish, fresh, or new and thought, wow, that feels so modern? Today, let's explore the word modern, what it really means, how to pronounce it, and how to use it confidently in everyday English. Meaning and definition. The word modern, pronounced maw-dern, is an adjective. It describes anything that is new, up-to-date, current, or related to the present time. When we say something is modern, we usually mean it is different from old-fashioned styles, and it reflects the ideas, trends, or technology of today's world. Simple explanation. Think of smartphones, minimalist houses, electric cars, digital art, all these things represent modern life. Synonyms for modern: contemporary, current, up-to-date, new age, state-of-the-art, latest. Antonyms for modern: old-fashioned, traditional, outdated, vintage, ancient. Example sentences. Her apartment has a modern design with clean lines and bright lighting. We need a more modern solution to fix this problem. Modern technology makes communication faster than ever. He prefers traditional styles, while she loves everything modern. Real-life usage. Imagine walking into a store filled with sleek furniture, large glass windows, and neutral colors. You might say, "This place looks so modern." Or maybe you're updating your resume and adding new digital skills. That means you're making your profile modern and competitive. Modern isn't just about objects. It's also about ideas, culture, and attitudes that reflect the world we live in today. Keep learning with Thesaurus Thrive.